climb the walls of my mind just like climbing on a jungle gym. I am more than content with the state of mind I'm in, cause I am crazy.
Well, so how does it feel to be part of America's state of Missouri? State of emergency Missouri.
Well, funny you ask about the American state of emergency. It's pretty scary.
We are. We're in a state of an emergency. Governor Nixon announced it.
I don't see any reason to panic.
Just like you, I am crazy. Just like you. Lights are on, but nobody's home. My elevator doesn't go to the top. I'm not playing with the full deck. I've lost my marbles. The lights are on, but nobody's home. My elevator doesn't go to the top. I'm not playing with the full deck. I've lost my marbles.
This is like ice road truckers, honey.
No.
Yeah, I can't remember this since last time I was in Antarctica.
Antarctica. Their dock is sinking. There's really no time to waste. Hello? How are we doing?
Very well.
We just got home from the store approximately 4 hours ago, and he has that much snow on the truck. Their house. See if everything's outside. You can't see. Hey, here comes Doodle. Here comes Chico. Coming in hot.
Doodle, hurry! Get out of the snow, quick! There's more coming! Oh.
Candy, go!